Today I'm going to be doing some weed eating and some lawn mowing around a few of our properties. I got the weed eater here started and we're going to get it going. This thing runs on a special 2-cycle fuel which we have sitting in here. I'm going to get this thing primed. And she's all stocked up and ready to go. Even though it is summertime now, I always like to have a couple precautions to keep myself from getting blasted by everything that the weed eater picks up, because that can prick you pretty bad. So I got my jacket, headphones, glasses. Moral of the story, always wear protection. Another reason I wear such bulky clothes when I'm doing this work in the summertime is not all of us were blessed with tanning skin. For us pale folks, sometimes this is all you can get. No matter how much sunscreen you throw on, it seems to always find a way to burn you, so you kind of just sweat through the mess and stay covered up. So as you can see here, the weed eater ran out of thread, and that's not anything uncommon. There's not an unlimited supply in there or anything, so we need to go ahead and replace it. I just opened up the cap to show you that there's nothing in here, so I'm going to go ahead and shut that back up. Now that we got that cap shut, we need to double check and make sure that this hole is aligned here. You can look real closely through there. You can see that both parts are in line here. Now what I'm going to do is take the thread, run it through here. This can be a little tricky. Okay, so we got the thread through. What we want to do is get these at about equal lengths. There we go. Now all I got to do is twist this together. Oh, that was a little sloppy, but now the thing's rethreaded. Go in a little bit more so we don't lose any, and we're ready to get started again. got done with a lot of the weed eating around the front of the farm now. I didn't quite get it all captured on video, but I'm gonna go push in feed and then we'll hop on the mower. Now we're out at one of our rent houses. You can see I got the 0 turn sitting here, and now we're ready to start mowing. This piece in particular has not been mowed and probably let it go just a little bit too long, so I'll probably end up doing 1 or maybe 2 passes if I feel that it really needs it. So here's what one pass looks like going through the rent house lawn. I'd originally considered doing 2 passes, but I think one's just gonna do it for us today. 4 1/4 inches I think was just the trick that this needed to liven this lawn up a little bit. Checking in on the corn while we're over here too. We got a really much needed rain Wednesday evening, and I think the corn's on good track for it being end of June. We just pray that we continue to get more rain. Last year in 21 was a very dry year. I think they're expecting some more rain on Monday, so we're happy with how that's headed. Jill's gonna go ahead and take over for me and do some of the lot here between the farm lane and the farm. She is a proven and expert lawnmower and certified grass striper. What do you say, Jill?
That's correct. I mean, look at my work.
Beautiful. Just beautiful. All right, let her eat. when we're right around the farm and have an open lot like this, we're certainly able to get to it more often and mow it as much as we'd like, but there's really no denying those stripes are thick. The last thing we have left to do for today is just mowing around all the little nooks and crannies of the farm here. By the end of today, between Jill and I, will have mowed 5 different lots. Didn't get footage of them all, but did get an end product view of all of them, so make sure to check that out at the end of the video. And did a little bit of weed eating too around the farm and the lot, so let's go ahead and get this done. One more shout out I'd like to give, which really puts the finishing touches on all the landscaping here, is to my aunt. She keeps everything all up to date and landscaped beautifully. Here's a little bit outside of our farm sign, and then you'll see a little bit as well over by the bank barn, and it really gives the farm that finishing touch pop to all the landscaping. Well, that's gonna do it for this one today, guys. Thanks so much for watching, and hope to see you in the next one.